Hey guys, what's up? Today we're introducing the bluechem fuel injector cleaner. It's specially designed to clean fuel injector. Over time, there will be oxidized petrol that stays in the injector and it causes gum and varnishes in fuel injector. You will get poor atomization of petrol, you have poor fuel efficiency. Cleaning fuel injector requires professional equipment. Go to professional workshops, seek for bluechem products. It will improve the fuel efficiency, improve the atomization of petrol, and it will give you a good life. Thank you for your time. That's it for today. Subscribe to us, leave us some comment if there's any questions. We'll get back to you soon. Thank you for your time. See ya.